Hi guys, today we'll have an unboxing of the Bandai 1 to 144 Queadluun Rau from the Macross series. We'll see you after this. Hi everyone, this is Kik and welcome to another Kik modeling show. In today's show, I will unbox a Bandai 1 to 144 Queadluun Rau kit. I'll probably pronounce it wrong, but I'm not gonna correct it really. It's from the original Macross series. It's a very old kit made in 1992, I think. I think it was released initially by another company called Aria, probably ages ago, and Bandai bought the toolings and the license. Basically, Bandai reissued it. In fact, they re-released a whole bunch of these older Macross kits, like the Spartan, the Tomahawk, the Monster, etc., etc. Now, Wave also released some more detailed versions of the Tomahawk, Defender, Phoenix around 2010. But for the Queadluun Rau, we're stuck with an much older kit. So it was lucky that Bandai re-released it, because for Macross fan, this is what we've got apart from getting figures. Anyway, it's a re-release, hence it has a blue Bandai logo. The box art is just a drawing of the unit. The side has other drawing and also example of the build kit. And you can see the Bandai logo there. Now let's crack it open. You can see everything is molded in green color only. There are 3 runners, all in plastic wraps. The menu in the bottom, and it's very light, just a sheet of folded paper. It shows the finished model on one side with markings and painting instructions. The other side is the build instruction. It's not very complicated build, so not many steps involved. Just typical Bandai instruction. It even has a decker sheet. Consider the age of the kit, so it's very nice of it. Now, even though it's an old kit, but there is still quite a bit of details on the parts, like as the parts are all in green, that means painting is a requirement. There's no polycaps due to its age. The fitting will be a lot less friendly compared to recent Gundam high grade or master grade kits. I would dare to say that it's below first grade standard. So it will be quite a challenging build for new builders. It will require a lot of puttying, sanding, and maybe repairs as well. Still, there will be a lot of seam lines to fill, gaps to clear, mold lines to remove, etc., etc. And it will need a lot of masking to achieve color separation too. I don't like the original green looking, so I will need to work out a custom color scheme for it. But for me, it's really part of the fun. And you can see parts like the torso, the legs, arms, and various bits and pieces. As I said before, it does have a decker sheet, which is great. Consider some of the newer high grade and real grade kits only comes with stickers, which are a little bit of letdown really. So that's all. I will certainly start building it. I can see a few things that I can cover about these kits in future episodes, so I'll provide some work in progress. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like the show or the channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification buttons. I'm still looking at releasing new episode every 2 weeks, so thanks for watching and I hope to see you again soon. Bye now.